Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and we're going to look at Zillow here. I'm going to tell you why we sold this, why we took profits today, because, hey, man, the stock's doing really well. So why did we take profits? But first, I want to mention, because it kind of goes into this, I'm teaching a class tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Pacific, on trading, essentially on trading tops, sticking with stocks that are working and getting out of ones that aren't, looking at the overall market and stuff like this. And I've been working on this for a while, and the reason is because of what's happening in the market now. It's just like, I don't really feel like this is the time to say how to spot a market bottom. So we're going the other way, and I want you to be there. I promise you it's going to be well worth your time and damn sure worth your money, because it's free. You have to be a member of Stock Market Mentor, but you don't have to be a paying member. Just letting you know. You can join for a free trial, and then you can check out the webinar. I won't send you a bill later if you cancel, but I really want you to check that out. I think it's going to be awesome, and I know that I'm going to hear from people that say, wow, put this together for me, Dan. I get it. Okay, so with that said, Zillow. This is a stock that had been squeezing here. It working pretty well. I drew these lines here a while ago. I had this stock. I think we bought it right about here. Bought it on this last little bounce off of the 50-day moving average, or close to it. So the trade working pretty well. Not awesome, but pretty well. And then today, the stock, breaks out of this resistance, breaks out of here above 115, and just keeps going. And so, you want to be selling, you want to be taking profits into strength like this, especially after it hit, the level above this last high here. And so you look at this as a time when, particularly if the stock is ultimately, 20% above the 50-day moving average, there's going to be selling there. So when the stock starts doing this, you don't want to start getting more and more lathered up and thinking it's going to the moon. Instead, you have to always look at the other side of the trade. And so that's what we did. And we sold, didn't sell at the top. I'll be honest with you, I was looking elsewhere. But we did get out around 122, 121, something like that. So it was a really, really good trade for us. And, you can look at the intraday stuff here and see what's happening. But what really should impact you the most on trading is what you're seeing on the daily chart. I would be real surprised if this thing hits 120 before it hits, I don't know about 110 maybe, but if this thing hits 120 before it hits, say, 112 or something, I would be real surprised. So anyway, that's what our trade is like on Zillow. Looking for other trades, obviously, always. So definitely check out Stock Market Mentor if you haven't. We're getting quite a few new members in, basically because I'm shamelessly plugging my website. But I want you to know we also have a series of we call it a fast track orientation videos, where over 20 days you're going to get more stuff than you ever thought you were going to get. And it's all just how to trade, how to make money, how to keep from losing your asterisk, stuff like that. So definitely check it out. By the way, have I told you that I want you to check out my website?